And this will be the very, very fun part of your piano lesson. You will play your first piano song. Now, before I go on and I explain to you how to play your first piano song, don't forget to like this video if you like the video and to subscribe to this channel. And now let's go ahead and let's learn how to play your first song at the piano. So you remember in the previous section we have learned how to clap a rhythm, tick-a-tick-a-tack, and how to play this rhythm on two notes, on the C with the right hand with one, and on the G with the fourth finger, right hand, G with 4, 1, 4. Tick-a-tick-a-tack. Stop. We're finger number 4 and then tick-a-tick-a-tack on the G. So now we're going to add to that. So we'll play finger number 1 first, then finger number 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 1 again. So let's repeat that. 1, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. So we will jump from 1, we'll play tick-a-tick-a-tack on 1, tick-a-tick-a-tack, and we jump to 4 on the G, and we'll play tick-a-tick-a-tack on the G, tick-a-tick-a-tack, and then we'll go to the next note next to the G, which is the A, but we don't know that yet. So tick-a-tick-a-tack with 5, then with 4, same thing, 3 on the F, same thing, tick-a-tick-a-tack, then 2, tick-a-tick-a-tack on the E, then D with the thumb, tick-a-tick-a-tack, and we move the thumb on the C and we play tick-a-tick-a-tack again. So let's have fun with that and repeat this thing many, many, many times until you know that very, very well. So you will discover in the next lessons what this melody is going to be. So we will play finger number 1, then 4, then the next note with finger number 5, then go back to 4, 3, 2, 1, next to the 2, and then we will jump to the next key with 1 again. So we will play 1, then 4 on the G, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, and 1 again. Okay, so can you repeat that, please? Now 1, we jump on G with finger number 4, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. By the way, all those exercises are with the right hand. I forgot to say it before. So all these exercises are with the right hand. So now let's play the rhythm. Ready, go. Oh, I mean, tick-a-tick-a-tack, right? So tick-a-tick-a-tack. Okay, so now let's place finger number 4 on the G, like an umbrella with a stick, and the G, the fourth finger on the G is the stick. Ready, go. Tick-a-tick-a-tack. Then the pinky on the next note, which we don't know what it is yet. We'll learn that in the next video. Ready, go. And then 4 again. Ready, go. Now finger number 3. Remember to have the stick here. Ready, go. here, ready, go. Then finger number 1. And 1 on the C again. Okay, can we repeat that one more time? Ready, go. 1. 4 on the G, ready, go. Pinky on the A, remember to keep your umbrella, ready, go. Finger number 4 on the G again, ready, go. Finger number 3 here, ready, go. Finger number 2, ready, go. Finger number 1, ready, go. And 1 again, ready, go. Now, pause the video and have fun practicing this. So this is what you've learned today.